Do you want to reduce adult or unwanted content on Facebook? It's easy. In this short tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to block such content. Make sure to watch till the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. To minimize adult content on Facebook, start by adjusting your account settings. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. If you're using an iPhone, you'll find it in the bottom right. Next, scroll down and select Settings and AMP, Privacy, then tap on Settings to enter your account settings. Now, scroll until you reach the Preferences section. Here, tap on News Feed to manage your preferences. In the News Feed settings, you'll see an option labeled Reduce. Click on it to choose which types of content you like to limit. To decrease the visibility of low-quality content, tap on Low-Quality Content and select Reduce More. Then, go back and find Unoriginal Content and Problematic Sharing. Tap that option and again choose Reduce More. Finally, locate the Sensitive Content option. Select it and choose Reduce More to further limit sensitive material in your feed. By following these simple steps, you can effectively minimize adult and unwanted content on Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a like and subscribe for more tips. And feel free to leave a comment below.